Let's give your local AI model internet access using Exa.ai MCP and the Jan.ai app. First, confirm Jan.ai is installed and you have Exa.ai credentials ready. Log into Exa.ai, create an MCP server instance, and copy the server key. On your machine, run the provided MCP server container command in the terminal. Open port 443 or configure a reverse proxy and enable secure tunneling as needed. Verify the MCP server status in Exa.ai shows running with a green indicator. Open Jan.ai, go to Integrations, and select Exa.ai MCP from the list. Paste the MCP server URL and the key into January AI's connection fields, then save. Jan.ai will attempt the connection and show a live status update in the corner. Ask your local model to fetch a web page to confirm internet access is working. If it fails, check your MCP key, open ports, and firewall or proxy settings. You're all set. Your local AI now has internet access through Exa.ai MCP. Subscribe for more tutorials.